everyone, welcome back to Shine and Enjoy. Welcome back to a new blog. So today I'm going to show you the hair care secret that I use every day as in my life. So it's a very simple hair care solution. I use a couple different type of hair oils to make a ratio, and I use a simple ratio of different kind of oils to use it together. So I use like vitamin E, castor oil, almond oil, essential oils. I will show you and I'll give you a description of all of this, which I'm going to use it, and then whatever the things and what are the benefits of all the different kind of oils. So I get so many requests of so many of my subscribers that they want to know that what are the hair care thing that I do. So I'm going to show you my secret recipe of hair care. So I hope you guys will like it. If you guys like it, please do share, comment and subscribe my channel, and then share to your friends, and stay tuned to Shine and Enjoy. So there I'm going to use like 7 different type of oils. So first I'm going to give you the description that the oils that I'm going to use. The first oil I'm going to use is the castor oil. So is a castor oil, and castor oil is very famous for its hair regrowth. So I'm going to use this castor oil. Next I'm going to use onion oil. This is a oryza and onion oil. I buy it from Amazon, so it's very available in Amazon. Last time when I went to India, I buy like 3 pack of it. So it's very helpful, and it's very helpful to regrowth of your hair. And then when I started to use this onion oil, it's helped me to increase my hair growth, so I can see a baby little hairs growing a lot. And then I'm using a tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil which also nourishes your scalp, and then which it also helpful to fight against your all the dandruff and then all the fungus that grows in our scalp. Then I'm going to use like olive oil. So you can use any brand, any company, it's not a brand restricted. So I use whatever I get, I use it here. So it's very helpful to actually the olive oil generate heat in your scalp, and also it gives you a good blood circulation. So when you massage your head with olive oil, it gives you a very good heat, so that the all the hair roots gets the blood, so it increases the blood circulation in your hair. So lastly I'm using the vitamin E. So vitamin E is also very important because it's also a very important vitamin to your hair growth. So hair is made up of a keratin protein, so proteins also need the nourishment. Lastly I'm going to use the Bajaj almond oil. So I have it, so I am using it. So most of the time I have a box. This is a specific for my hair treatments. So this box I mix the oils in the specific proportion, and in this proportion I use that oil, and then it really helps my hair to grow. So I use like 1 tablespoon of onion oil. I use around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I use around 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. I use 1 tablespoon of tea tree oil. I use 1 tablespoon around the almond oil. I use a few drops of castor oil because castor oil is already super sticky, so I wouldn't recommend to use a lot. You can use the castor oil in your eyebrow if it is not very thick, so it's also regrowth your eyebrows. So many people use it. I do not because I'm scared of it. So I'm super lazy. Anyways, and then lastly I'm going to use a few drops of lavender oil. It is an essential oil that I took it. So here I mixed all the different kind of oils together, and I'm going to mix it. And after that you have to do 30 seconds in the microwave. You can warm it in your gas oven too. So in the gas oven, what I do, I pour a bowl of water and let it boil, and in the boiled water I put the bucket so that it's not directly heated by the gas, because it can degrade the plastic. I don't want that. So I usually do a microwave. So those people who don't have microwave, they can use their warm water too. So after that oil is warm, so I'm going to gently put it in my hairs. So I'm going to first rub it in my scalp. You have to gently scrub it in your scalp so that every root of your hair gets the oil properly, and then from the front to the back and every side you have to very gently you have to rub it, and after that you have to massage it for 10 minutes. And you have to massage like in a circular motion, so that you will get the highest amount of blood circulation in your scalp. So blood circulation and also all the essential oil going to release all the stress from your life, and it will make you feel so good. So I would recommend to do a hair massage for at least 10 minutes, and after that you can leave it for an hour. So this hair massage is going to give you a really good feeling. So I would recommend all of you guys to do it for 1 to 2 days a week. That I have used is not brand restricted. You can use any of them, any brand. So all the things that I've used, it's already available in my home, so I used all of them. So I would recommend sometime you can use the coconut oil instead of the almond oil if you don't have the almond oil in your home. And these are all easily available in the market or Amazon or any of the online shopping. So I know many of you do the online shopping a lot. You can order those things, and I'm going to leave it in my hair for an hour, and then I'm going to take a shower. So I'm going to show you guys after that how it looks in my hair. So stay tuned to Shine and Enjoy. So I hope you guys will like it. So guys, welcome back. After that hair massage, I fall asleep for 2 hours. This hair massage is so good. It makes me feel asleep. So and then after that I take a shower, and then I dry my hair a little bit. So usually when I do oil massage or something, I tend to lose a lot of hair, but after using this proportional oil, I started to lose less hair. So I would recommend you guys to use it at least once or twice in a week, so that you will get a better result. And I hope you guys like my video. So if you like it, please do share, comment and subscribe my channel. And this hair therapy is very useful to the mothers or the pregnant women. Sometime in pregnancy people used to lose a lot of hair. It's very helpful for them, so that they can reduce the amount of hair they are losing. So I am really grateful to all the hair mixtures, so that it gives me really good hair, because the water of Texas is not a good. So after coming back from Minnesota to Texas, I tend to lose a lot of hair. I hope this video is useful to you guys. If you guys like it, please do share, comment and subscribe my channel. And stay healthy, stay home, stay pretty, and do care of your hair, skins and all of the things. And then eat healthy food, eat healthy diet, so that you can boost your immunity. So stay tuned to Shine and Enjoy for more updates. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that you will get the notification. So until then, stay tuned to Shine and Enjoy. So I will see you guys in my next vlog, and until then, bye.